Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more and I've been in.
What's up guys, this is Blitz Kings here. This is Junior.
I'm Nate.
That's Pinky, not Nate.
Pinky.
Today we'll be washing our cars tonight, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna head out to a car meet, Cars and Coffee, so let's get it.
Which one should we use?
It's not the kind of movie, Junior. Not bad. You got the foam cannon?
It's good, that one's gonna work. I have one that hooks up to the hose. Where I put my keys?
Did you lock them in again?
No. Did I lock my door? I did. Hold on. Riding the pony. Riding the pony to the pony.
Don't kill the damn pony. Let's check our sponsor before they unsponsor us.
Yeah, don't check in here.
Yeah, you got all kinds of mess in there, man. Where's all that from?
Glass cleaner. Chamois.
That's animal abuse. We're not clearing that out.
Oh, here.
This is all my stuff right there, and then Nate's little glass cleaner.
This thing.
Foam cannon.
Well, kinda.
We're supposed to be cleaning our cars, but Nate's over here slacking.
What?
Nothing. Look at my beautiful. Ooh. I finally got an exhaust for it too, so you guys are gonna hear that soon.
Got what?
An exhaust for it.
Oh yeah.
I call it the Frankenstein exhaust. It turned into a monster.
Oh, they haven't even heard it yet.
Nope.
Hey. We'll have to do a cold start.
I know why they hating on me, so I switch spots. Now we're running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guac. I hit the jackpot, you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch. I know why they hating on me, so I switch spots. Now we're running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. Hold the wrist, I had to get the bag. Ice on my wrist, diamonds move a lag. Never switch in position, that's what money be in my bag. Gotta thank God for all the shit that I got, I never had. Now that I'm in it, I got a ball. Roll to the wrist, and diamonds on froze. She wanna fuck, dominoes. Taking it down, dominoes. Then kick it out, adios. Stacking the bread, loud the door. Hold the wrist up. Don't know where the switch though. Got my bands up. Think I need a brain stroke. We keep it lit. I can't let these niggas miss us. Talking crazy, think you might get stitched up. I know why they hating on me, so I switch spots. Now we're running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guac. I hit the jack.
Nate, we're filming.
Wait, hold on. Hold on. Is it filming? It's counting down.
Yeah.
Doing it wrong.
It's too early.
That's what I said. He woke me up. He's like, Frankie, get up. I thought I was dreaming for a second.
You bet you were dreaming. Bro. Sounds so true, though.
Then you just wake up.
Stupid 90, man.
Alright, so right now we're filling up because we have a 15-minute drive out of this. So that's gonna be fun.
Bored.
That hurt.
It's like a stiff arm right there.
Healing in progress. It acts like I don't even know.
So get that. So that takes Thunderbird there.
Why?
Thunderbird to grind, grind for 101%.
That's what it's saying. Okay.
It is early.
It's early.
It's too early.
We got our cameraman here.
Is that long sleeve?
Yeah.
You're gonna need to edit this. You'll be fine. It's going.
Alright, so you guys know how I got the Frankenstein exhaust? I'm about to turn around right now. I'm gonna check here.
I'm ready.
Yeah, look at my beautiful piece of shit. My monster right here. Everybody else has nice cars, man. But, whew. From Tuner Colts giveaway. He's in Arizona, he's a local guy. They got the fast cars, but I got the best sound and speakers. Can't play that. And here we are at Cars and Coffee. I don't have a fast car, so I have to wait.
Yes.
Yes.
Second time, actually. Yeah, I brought this thing out like before the whole shit happened. Yeah. Before they stopped it, like, you know.
Look, they parked next to my POS. Phoenix Street Machines, PHX Street Machines. Oh, we got the crown jewels over here, man. The crown jewels. George's SS, Nathaniel's Mustang GT, the 5.0. OG Red SS, the 6.2, LS3.
That's my favorite. You should have my children sex.
Don't get the bad door side. Gotta get the. Hey, look, it's Louise.
Bro, for real.
Search.
Wait, so the Z01 and the 392 racing?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, they actually wasn't. Maybe, yeah.
Scat Pack.
Is it? Alright, let's start going down the one.
I don't like mine. Unless it's cocaine.
Shut up.
Look at that hood, full carbon. I like those wheels. All that meat interior is not done yet. It's a work in progress. AMG's a lowered Q5. There's an Aventador. Another full carbon hood. I want to see the Aventador. Look at this Afro male. Lexus. It's a nasty. That's the one that passed us on the road earlier. Popping and shit. See the McLaren? Real Mustang 5.0s. That's a 3.7. Celine Mustang.
Bro, he was next to me at a light.
Rapsiche. So nice. You see the wheel?
Oh yeah, I think they are.
Look at the interior. Holy moly.
You got the
It's got a full roll cage. I like this Mustang. Boss 302. Powered by Ford.
That's what Nate wants to do is.
I want to put the manifold on it. That
The Boss 302?
manifold on it. Look, it's a... Have you seen these
I
things?
got a few bullets.
They're nice. They're so...
What? That's a motorcycle? Jesus. That's a motorcycle?
Yeah.
What? That's right. Some of the video.
The way he looked up. How was that sandwich, George?
Could be better.
Let's see it. Flip it. Look at the layers.
Not worth $9 though.
Oh wait.
It was $9.
Yeah, bro.
That's why I said hold the avocado.
I'll give it like $6.
Yeah, right here. Thank you.
And then did you guys see like spoon?
What'd you get? What is this?
These are the yogurt things, man.
Oh, it's a yogurt thing?
Oh, freaking beautiful, man. Look at that.
There you go.
Oh, the joys of trying to eat healthy, man.
Look, I'm gonna zoom in on this strawberry action. Look at that.
On your
Look, he just ate it like it was nothing.
I've been drowning in the liquor, I've been pouring, ayy. Whipping swiftly in that foreign, I've been flowing, ayy.